Hello everyone, welcome to Leafy Corner. Today's topic is a bit demanding for orchid lovers. Today I am going to show you how to create a perfect potting mixture for any orchid. Let's get started. The first one to take is pine bark. It is red, as you can see. I have ordered it from an online plant store. It is a very good medium for orchids, but also quite expensive. Not a mandatory mixture, but if you use it, you are going to get good results, as this works like hydroton clay balls. This should be 40% in the whole mixture. Our second potting mix will be burnt brick pieces. This also works as a good moisture holder. It can contain water inside very well. It keeps the medium cool and dry as required. If you don't get the burnt one, you can also use the normal brick pieces. And the last one of the mixture is charcoal. We can easily get from the market at low prices. It works as a shield and prevents the plant from fungal infections. Now we will mix these for a perfect orchid mixture. We can use it to propagate any seedling, or we can use it to repot any mature plant. So, that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. Please do like and comment if you have any queries. And also, don't forget to subscribe.